Hey everyone, I'm Komal and welcome to Rise PTE. If you are prepping for the PTE exam, you know that the speaking section can be quite challenging. It is very common to see people get 79 plus in 3 sections, but score only 60 or even less in speaking section. Speaking section needs good fundamental skills, plenty of practice, but above all, you must understand how you are scored. What is required to satisfy the PTE logarithm and get a good score? So today, we are revealing 8 top secrets about the PTE speaking section. The suggestions I will give you are tried and tested. Stick around to get the inside secrets on how to boost your speaking score. Let's dive right in. Secret 1. The importance of fluency and pronunciation. First up, did you know that fluency and pronunciation are more critical than content in the speaking section? The PTE algorithm places a significant emphasis on how smoothly and clearly you speak rather than just what you say. Even if you make minor mistakes in content, as long as you speak fluently and with good pronunciation, you can still score high. But this doesn't mean you can ignore content altogether. It should still be accurate and specific to the question. If you fill your answer with your just generic statements like, "This is a beautiful image," I'm sorry, you will not get a beautiful score. But if you have made a couple of mistakes, some hesitations and corrections while speaking, that is okay. Keep speaking confidently so that you score high on fluency and pronunciation. Secret 2. Pausing strategy. Next, let's talk about pausing. Contrary to popular belief, short pauses are okay. They can actually help you sound more natural. However, avoid long pauses as they can hurt your score. In questions like read aloud tasks, take a breath at natural punctuation points, but keep the flow going without long breaks. In other questions, wherever it is natural and where helps you to direct attention towards a particular point, so pausing naturally is perfectly all right. But avoid very long pauses. Okay, now look at secret number 3. Use intonation and stress correctly. Secret number 3 is about intonation and stress. Using correct intonation and stress patterns can significantly improve your score. This makes your speech sound more natural and engaging. You might have heard people tell you that you must imitate native speakers. No, that is not correct. Instead, you should speak in a natural tone with correct intonation and stress. I will later do a video in which I will cover intonation in more detail. Secret number 4. The power of paraphrasing in described image and retell lecture. Paraphrasing is your friend, especially in describe image and retell lecture tasks. You don't need to repeat everything exactly. Instead, use synonyms and rephrase sentences to show a good command of English. Let me give you an example. Instead of saying, "The graph shows a rise in sales," you can say, "The graph indicates an increase in sales." In Summarize, we ask our students to try to write the summary from scratch. However, if you don't feel confident about your writing skill, then you can use paraphrasing in writing as well. Secret 5. Note taking techniques for retell lecture. Effective note-taking can make a huge difference in your retell lecture performance. Use abbreviations and symbols to quickly jot down key points. For example, while listening, write down keywords and symbols like arrow upwards or for increase or $ for money, which can help you recall information quickly. Don't write full words because then you might lose focus and not understand the full lecture. Secret 6. Practice with background noise. This is very important and very useful. Practice speaking with background noise. The exam environment can be noisy, so practicing in a similar setting can help you stay focused and perform better. Try speaking tasks in a busy cafe or with background music to simulate the test environment. Or you can play some video on YouTube that has background sounds in it. This way, it wouldn't matter what kind of environment you get in the exam. Okay? Now look at the secret number 7, the role of confidence. Now, confidence is key. Speaking confidently can positively influence your score. If you make a mistake, don't panic. Keep going with assurance. For example, if you mispronounce a word, correct yourself smoothly and continue speaking without hesitation. Secret number 8, use filler phrases wisely. Finally, use filler phrases wisely. If you are stuck, phrases like, let me see. What I mean is, can you give me a moment to think without long pauses? In describe image, if you need a moment, say, now let me explain further, while you gather your thoughts. But, and this is very important, don't use too many of these fillers or generic phrases. As much as possible, try to speak relevant to the topic. There you have it, the 8 top secrets for acing the PTE speaking section. Incorporate these steps into your practice and you will see a significant improvement in your score. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips and strategies. Good luck on your PTE exam. Bye-bye.